Guys, this is Trending Trends. We are back again with Nandi and her husband, Nandi and Rev. Guys, guys, Nandi doesn't know peace. Nandi doesn't know how to spell peace. Nandi goes to the tattooist to go and erase the tattoo. I was very happy. I was like, you know what? Now Nandi is coming right. Nandi is doing things right. Not after that. She's starting again. She's starting again. Nandi doesn't understand the institution of marriage. She only understands how to make babies, but the institution of marriage is something that she doesn't understand. How do you go buy a car? You borrow money. You go buy a 7-seater because you are living in your own world. Your husband doesn't know anything about that. You come inside the yard with a car. Everybody is happy. Even your parents, they are even like praying, very happy that Umtanabo bought a car. But the husband doesn't know anything about that. And the husband argument is very valid. Uti, how do you go buy a car, Nandi, when we are so bankrupt? We don't even know where we're going to get money to pay where we are staying. When you go and borrow money to buy a 7-seater. Nandi uti, the husband doesn't have faith. Yena uphila ngefaith. What kind of a person is Nandi, guys? What kind of a person is Nandi? And I don't even understand Nandi's parents. At this point in time, I think they know that Nandi is bankrupt together with her husband. But they are failing to call Nandi and tell Nandi, Nandi, you should spare each and every cent that you have. You don't have money to pay for accommodation, but you go buy a car. Now I was expecting that the parents should sit her down and tell her that they are praying. They are praying, thanking God that Nandi bought a car. Now you can see that where does Nandi get this kind of mentality? Kind of mentality. This is what is stressing the husband because the husband cannot feel his leg now. It's because of this stress. It's because of everything that Nandi is bringing to the husband. Guys, Nandi has started a church. Is starting a church. She did the flyers. She's now showing the husband that this is the flyer for the church. And even I've got people already that are coming for our first service. The husband doesn't know anything about it. Yo, I'm feeling for the husband. Guys, I'm feeling for Nandi's husband. Yo, I'm feeling for that Baba, Nandi called people to come and erect the tent. The first service is going to start in few hours. She's forcing the husband now to preach. She's forcing the husband now to prepare a sermon. Now they are fighting. Nandi says to the husband, you are not grateful. You are not grateful. You only complain. I come with solutions. The husband is sick. The husband is saying, I can't feel my leg. I've got a problem with my back. But Nandi is forcing the husband to do what? To prepare for a sermon that the husband doesn't know about. Nandi is a bully. Guys, Nandi is a bully of note. Even if she can go and erase even if she can go and erase that tattoo, it doesn't even mean anything because within few days she's starting the war. She's stressing the poor husband. What nonsense is this story of her opening a church? Opening a church, who's gonna preach? Because I've heard that it's her church, it's not the husband's church. Yes, sometimes the poverty will lead you to do things, Poverty, lack of money will lead you to do things. You open a church, are you even qualified to be a preacher as Nandi? Or you just want Nigel? Guys, yeah, that's Nandi and the ref. Let's see next week what's gonna happen. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's meet on the other video. Bye.